I can't believe that painting's getting any worse. I failed my test. I'm never gonna do this again. I hope I better get the glasses. Huh? Is that you? Yes. So, do you remember last time you were drawing a good logo? You draw the text and some kind of code letters and the black outline, and there's the perfect logo. It's P fired to you. And now I'm here. So, yeah. What's your problem? Well, all I need is this logo called TVZ Fund Productions. Are you okay? I'm okay. That picture made me barf. Anyways, I have something very quick. All I need is just a good logo, or something very important. You know, something very good and lucky. So all I need is just be smart in your way. Wow, so how do you do that?